Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to find a word in Google Docs. First, open your Google Doc by logging into your Google account, then click on the Google menu to select your Google Docs. Once your Google Docs page opens, click on the document you want to edit. Now, let's move on to searching for a word in your documents. To search for a word, press Ctrl F on your keyboard or Command F if you're using a Mac. After pressing Ctrl F, simply type in the word that you are looking for. Google Docs will highlight the word and show you how many times it appears in the document. To navigate to each highlighted instance, click on the arrows next to the search bar. Arrows will allow you to move forward or backward through the highlighted instances. And if you want to find and replace a word, click on the three vertical dots next to the search bar. This will open the Find and Replace box. Here, you can type in the word you want to find and the word you want to replace it with. That is it. You've successfully learned how to find a word in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.